No cameras, please.
You come give your daughter a hug? We'll hug her again. There you go.
I'm not Britney Spears leaving for the airport.
No, Britney's snack pack ain't that big.
Let's look at your snack pack. Good Lord, look at the snack pack on that thing.
Are you done?
Huh?
Are you done?
Is it time to go already?
Yes. What are you doing?
Are you sad?
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. How do you know when you got a good searing to your steak? Your smoke detector goes off. Hey, it is what it is. I'm getting to show you guys an amazing recipe for steaks. You're gonna like this. I've got another one over here in my pan because I didn't have room for both of them. So I'm just doing them one at a time. Cast iron skillet is the way to go when it comes to pan frying a steak. Best way to go. The only way to cook steaks is through cast iron skillet. I want you to look how beautiful that is. Oh. Maybe this should turn into a steak mukbang. Who knows? I'm cooking myself to death. Let me tell you why. Oh my God. You need to make this. This video will be out, I don't know, maybe tonight. Let me back up a little bit. But let me tell you what's been going on. Worst week ever. Worst week ever. My daughter left yesterday for band camp. She's gonna be gone till Friday, so I'm so lonely I can't stand it. It's just, look, it's just me and my Daisy. It's just me and my dollop of Daisy. Look, she wants some steak. She's about to get up on the damn table. You smell that steak, don't you? You ain't getting on the table. Look at that. They'll never want to eat from my food again. Get down, sweet pea. But she left yesterday for band camp. And that was awful. It was awful. You know, I'm very fortunate. I've never had any well, I can't say that. I've had like 1, 2, 3, 4 worst days ever in my life, and they've all involved my children. Number one first day ever, many years ago, my son went off to college. He moved to Columbus, which is an hour and a half away, and he went to college. Best thing ever. I mean, you know, I'm gonna get sentimental. You know, you pray a lot that your children, and I'm gonna get very sentimental, that, you know, they have a quality life. They're around an abundance of friends, people who love them, people that accept them, people who want to be with them, and you pray that they have a very productive life, surrounded by so much love, and that they're able to stand on their own 2 feet. And that was my first worst day ever, was when I gotta film some more videos. I can't be doing this, but I'm gonna finish this one. As I remember when he went to, we packed him up and moved him away to his dorm at Ohio State, which was, I'm very proud of him. He is such a go-getter. But that was my first worst day ever. I pretty much grieved myself to death over that when he left home and, you know, pursued his life, which it was perfect that he done that. You know, it's what you want for your children. And then my other worst time ever, which this is the worst, this tops all of them. You know, at least when your kids move away, they're still live and breathing, and, you know, you still get to see them. But my very worst day ever was when my son Nicholas got into a car accident. My middle child. That was the worst day ever in my life. And, you know, it's what you want for your children. And then my other worst time ever, which this is the worst, this tops all of them. You know, at least when your kids move away, they're still live and breathing. But my very worst day ever was when my son Nicholas got into a car accident. My middle child. That was the worst day ever in my life. And I praise God every day that he saved that child and saved every child that was in that car, that he just cradled them, all of them. They were on their way to the movies or something, and then they got hit. I don't know if they got T-boned, I don't know what, but that was just, Nick was in the hospital for about 6 days. I did not move from that hospital. I don't even think I took a shower for 6 days. I stayed with him the entire time. It was very heart-wrenching, and that's exactly when I knew that I wanted to become a nurse, because I wanted to be able to take care of people that were not able to take care of themselves. And then the next time was when he moved out last year in August, and which it was time for him to go. I didn't want him to go. I would like to be like Full House. I would have the whole damn crew here, you know, living with all their babies and all my grandbabies. I'd have about 20 of us living in this house. I wish we could all live in this house together. But he moved out, and I didn't think that I was ever going to get over that. It's very hard looking out in the driveway and not seeing his vehicle there. I don't see him very often. But he does live closer than Brandon. He lives about 10 minutes away. Brandon lives an hour and a half. I get to see Brandon maybe once a month. Then yesterday I had to take my baby girl, Olivia, my sidekick, my BFF, to drop her off at school because she's having band camp all week. And it's just me and the dogs and the cats sitting here all by, and the ferrets here all by ourselves, and we're getting kind of lonely, so I'm doing a lot of cooking today. I just fried up some steaks, my skillet steaks, and then later on for dinner, we're gonna snack that. I love to snack cold steak. Later on for dinner, I am making taco salads, beautiful taco salads. I'm gonna film that for you. I forgot to get avocado at the grocery store. I'm so pissed off, but I'm not going back. And that's how you build a taco salad. Did you put some beans on it?
Yeah. That's got everything on it. I'm gonna put some in the middle. So.
It is time to enjoy this sandwich. I want you to look at this. I just filmed this. It's my technique, not my recipe, for a beautiful egg sandwich. Look at that. Yummy. What you think about that? So I might as well eat it, and I might as well chit chat. Today's Friday. Thank God. I love this. Absolutely tickled to death today. Olivia's been at band camp all week. She's been at band camp since Sunday. Again, today's Friday, so I am so ready for her to come back home. I missed her so bad. You know, when you're used to having somebody around all the time, you don't see them for 5, 6, 7 days, whatever. You kind of start missing them a little bit. So when she's ready to come home, she seemed to enjoy herself somewhat, but she was ready to come home the first night. That's what happens when you have an awesome mother like me. Did I tell you what I'm eating? It's a breakfast sandwich. It's got eggs, cheese, lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise, and it's made on wheat bread. a low carb, low calorie wheat bread. I love breakfast sandwiches. I'd have to say biscuits and gravy is my favorite breakfast, but right after that, if I want to keep it something simple, I love breakfast sandwiches. You can personalize them, make it any way you want. Anyway. Got the day off, so I cleaned my bathroom already. I think I'm going to sweep the living room. I'm going to do a little bit of laundry. I'm just going to wait to go pick her up. It's so good. I think they're leaving at like 2 o'clock, so I should be able to pick her up about 3. Hopefully it's not storming here. A storm today. Bad ones. Got bacon in my teeth. And I don't like storms. I'm terrified of storms. I know, I'm an adult. I shouldn't be afraid of them, but my daddy always told me when I was young, when I was a little girl, I would just cry and cry and cry when the weather got really super bad. He always told me, Sandy, you shouldn't be afraid of something you can't control. Of course, I never did listen. I was too busy down on my knees praying to baby Jesus to keep me safe. I'm terrified of him. I don't mind when people are here with me, but I'm alone today until Olivia gets home, until I go pick her up. But I've always been scared of storms. I guess they wouldn't be bad. You know, I just don't like all that wind. I don't like that lightning. Get another good look at that sandwich. Look at that. Make y'all jealous. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? A mouthful. You all know I got a big mouth. I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna get started on everything else that I want to get done today. Because I gotta work tomorrow. I gotta work the weekend. There's a gnat flying around. But I'm gonna finish my sandwich, get to what I'm doing. I'll see you guys a little bit later on. Okay?